Valentine's Day. It's coming. Cue the panic. I actually lost an earring in that one. But if you've come across this video because you are looking for the perfect Valentine's gift for your significant other, look no further. We have not one, but two gifts that are thoughtful, free, digital, and super easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create them using Bublup, an app that you're going to love as much as your SO, if not more. And for those of you watching this on February 13th, you little procrastinators you're in luck. Before we hop into the how, we gotta get you set up. You're going to need two things. One is a free Bublup account. If you don't have one already, there's a link in the description where you can sign up. Two is a crash course on Bublup roles. Bublup is, in my opinion, a really magical place where you create folders and you can save any kind of media type. Links with files, with photos, with PDFs, etc. And they can all live harmoniously together in one place. The content that you save in a folder can be shared in the form of a role, an instant web page that is super shareable and beautifully formatted. You can also dive into our Roles Masterclass playlist here on YouTube for step-by-step instructions and tips. But now that you've got a handle on roles, here are the two amazing digital gifts. Gift number one, a digital Valentine's Day card. So remember that little shoebox that you had as a middle schooler and you filled it up with all these cute little things that reminded you of your crush? Yeah, it's kind of like that, but in the digital form. Here's what you need to do. So you're going to head over to the little blue plus button and select folder. And now you can start populating the folder with essentially anything you want, but a few ideas to get you started. You can start by creating a note and writing a heartfelt message. You could upload photos or videos of the two of you. You could save a link or an audio file to a really sweet song. Or you could save a link to a restaurant or a place that you want to take them to. And if you want, you can create subfolders, so folders within folders, to better organize your content. So a subfolder appears in your role as a new section. So for example, one section could be how we met. Another could be what I love about you. Now the third and final step is to select role and instant web page. So you're going to be prompted to choose a cover image for your role, and you can also add a title, a subtitle, and a description. You'll also find that there are 17 role themes to choose from, which can be a little overwhelming, but we have some recommendations. So Cosmo, Seabreeze, Journal, which has a lilac palette, and Cotton Candy, which has a strawberry palette, are our best recommendations. Lastly, you can give your role a customizable URL, and we call this an easy link. It can be something as simple as Happy Valentine's Day, name. Finally, click Create and see how it looks. Once your role is created, you can go back and make edits. So all you have to do is go to the little pencil icon to get into edit mode. And from there, you can make changes to the text, to the layout of your items, the theme, really anything you want. And then to give this gift of love, all you have to do is copy the URL and then you can email it or text it. And now on to gift number two, a personalized coupon book. So once upon a time, coupon books were made on flashcards or on notepads, but we're giving the concept a modern twist. If you're unfamiliar, we're talking about a coupon book that is full of redeemable coupons that are well suited for the recipient. So for example, this could include one breakfast in bed, one massage, one meal at a restaurant of your choice, one day where you get to sleep in, and so on. You get the idea. To bring this concept to life with a Bublup role, you could create the coupons using a Canva template and save them in a folder, create the coupons with notes, or you could physically, hand make the coupons and take photos of them to save in a folder. Either way, once your coupons are created, you just have to follow these 3 steps. First, make a folder. Let's call it Valentine's Day card. Next, save your coupons. So you can either drag and drop them into a folder or you can add them using the little blue plus button. Last, select create an instant web page and that's going to turn it into a beautiful role. Voila, your very own digital coupon book. And as with the first example, if you don't love how it looks straight out the gate, you can always go in and edit. And there you have it. Now go and make the most romantic free gift that your significant other has ever seen. It's true that Bublup is a lifesaver when it comes to gift giving, but it also does so much more. For tips and tricks that will most definitely increase your creativity, productivity, and organization, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye!